was looks, confidence, money, or just timing. There's the brutal truth. Once a woman replaces you, you can't talk her out of it. Nothing you say will change her mind. And what you need to understand is, you don't chase someone who walked away like you were nothing. You go silent, not to play games, but to protect your peace. You disappear, not because you're weak, but because you finally remembered your value. And if she comes back later, saying she misses what you had, just remember, she didn't miss you when she was lying next